What if the foundation of your entire life was determined by the first few moments of your morning? What if a refined morning routine could instill unshakable confidence, deepen your relationships, and sharpen your mind to the caliber of Marcus Aurelius? Most individuals begin their day by surrendering to distraction, checking notifications, scrolling aimlessly, and instantly immersing themselves in stress. A Stoic, however, begins their day with intention. In this video, we will explore a structured Stoic morning routine, one that fortifies mental resilience, enhances interpersonal connections, and fosters the clarity necessary to navigate both personal and professional spheres effectively. By the end, you will be faced with a choice: continue as you are, or embrace a Stoic approach to your mornings. The problem: the default morning routine. Imagine this: you wake up, reach for your phone, and before even setting foot on the floor, your mind is overwhelmed with messages, notifications, and distractions. You are in a reactive state before the day has truly begun. You feel behind, burdened, and disconnected from the present moment. This mental clutter inevitably bleeds into your relationships. How can you truly engage with others when your mind is fragmented? How can you exercise emotional control when external stimuli dictate your every response? But what if an alternative existed? One that the Stoics practiced rigorously to maintain command over their thoughts, emotions, and relationships. The solution? A Stoic morning routine. Step 1. Negative visualization. Before rising from bed, engage in negative visualization. Reflect on the impermanence of everything around you: your loved ones, your career, your ambitions. Contemplate the reality that any of these could change or vanish at any moment. Why is this crucial? Because when you acknowledge the fragility of life, you develop a heightened sense of gratitude. Suddenly, small frustrations lose significance. Interactions become richer. Appreciation becomes effortless. Step 2. Premeditatio malorum. Prepare for adversity before it arises. Ask yourself, what potential challenges might I encounter today? A difficult conversation, a delayed project, an unexpected conflict. By envisioning these possibilities, you diminish their capacity to disrupt your composure. The Stoics believed that by mentally preparing for adversity, you strip it of its power. You do not succumb to emotional turbulence. Instead, you exercise mastery over your responses. Step 3. Stoic journaling. Marcus Aurelius meticulously documented his thoughts each morning, reflecting on his principles, intentions, and areas for improvement. Likewise, take a moment to write down: what virtues will guide my actions today? How will I demonstrate patience and kindness? What distractions will I consciously avoid? By engaging in this practice, you solidify your philosophical framework and ensure that your decisions align with your values. Step 4. Embracing stillness. Dedicate at least 5 minutes to silence. No technology, no external stimuli. Simply you and your breath. The ability to sit in stillness without seeking distraction is a testament to inner strength. It cultivates resilience, sharpens focus, and reinforces self-reliance. In a world of constant noise, the individual who masters silence commands an unparalleled advantage. The transformation. How this changes your life. This simple shift in your morning routine creates a profound ripple effect. In relationships, you become the person who listens before reacting, who approaches conflicts with composure, who fosters deeper, more meaningful connections. In your professional life, you embody clarity, patience, and decisiveness. Others recognize your steadiness in adversity. You become a leader, not by asserting dominance, but by demonstrating unwavering self-control. And most importantly, you begin to recognize yourself as someone worthy of admiration. The challenge: implementing the Stoic morning. Tomorrow morning, Resist the urge to immediately check your phone. Before engaging with the external world, implement these Stoic practices. Sit in stillness. Anticipate challenges. Reflect through journaling. Live with the awareness that today could be your last. Because the individual who governs their morning governs their life. If this message resonates with you, share it with someone who might benefit from it. Like, subscribe, and remember. True strength lies not in controlling external events, but in mastering your response to them. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius.